Today is my birthday, and we're gonna get a birthday present for myself, and I'm heading down like near Reading way for a certain car tuner place called Horsham Developments. I'm getting their plenum spacer, and they're gonna put a tune on my car, and fingers crossed to break the 300 barrier. Be an awesome birthday present if that does happen. So let's get rolling. Hello, it's future me. I went to Horsham Developments. I asked if I could do a time lapse of them fitting the plenum spacer, and they said they might have some issues because some rivalry between Abbey Motorsport and Horsham and maybe another place, because they were joking about how the internet would say they've not talked them up properly and so on, so they didn't want me recording anything in the workshop. After I got it fitted, they took it into the dyno. I don't understand how my car on the initial power run, no map, made 290, but on another dyno I've been on, Dyno Days, the last time I went on their dyno I made 260, but I know everyone says it underreads, so I can't see how it would be 40 horsepower difference between dynos, but we'll find out. But anyway, the initial run was 290, and then I think they did 5 or 6 other power runs with a tune, like honing it in a bit, and it made 5 more horsepower, but the torque curve is a lot smoother and the drivability is better. I think they got rid of some of the throttle limiting on first and second gear, so it's more direct now instead of a bit of lag between it. I also got them to put the Crackle map on, because I've not got the cruise control on the steering wheel. It's just one map, so I can't switch between them. They put the Crackle map onto I think it's 4K, and then when I let off after 4K and then just feather the throttle, it starts the pops and bangs. But I'll insert the clips of the dyno runs. You can't really see much, but I was in the observation area because it's like an enclosed area for the dyno. And there's a little window where you can look in at your car, and then there's a monitor with your runs and stuff. I'll insert the clip. One video at an earlier date than this video of putting the camera on the back for the pops and bangs / crackle map, and I didn't realise it spits flames, and that was at like dusky, so I'll insert that clip here. Done a proper night shoot, so I don't know how good it looks or how reliable the bangs and flames are, because to get that sort of bang I have to literally redline first or second gear and then literally come straight off and then do the feather the throttle, and then it does nothing, and then you just get that big like bang and the flames, so it's pretty decent. I'm not sure if it spits flames when it's like revving on idle. I'll insert clip here. it any at all, I don't know. We'll find out when we go back onto the Dyno Days rollers. So like I said, I've done 2 runs there, so should see any improvements. And with the Horsham Developments, the printout was a bit basic. It was literally just horsepower and torque. There was no like, well, I think it's literally just horsepower on the printout, which is a bit rubbish. So I don't know how much torque I've got, I don't think. As well as there's no wheel horsepower, so I don't know what I'm actually getting at the wheels, because the last time I went to Dyno Days it was 215 at the wheels, I think. So we'll see what we get there. It'll be on a different video.
A few moments later.
I'll see if I can try and do some crackle so you can hear what it's like on the inside. Because you can definitely hear I'm doing it.